Blood, an overview. Here we will discuss blood types, blood components, and blood diseases. What is blood? Blood is a body fluid in humans and other animals. Blood circulates through our body and delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transports metabolic waste material away from the cells. What are blood components? Blood components includes plasma, white blood cells, red blood cells, and platelets. Types of blood. There are two main groups who will explain blood types. First one is ABU blood group system and second one is RH blood group system. ABU blood group system. This system was first identified by Austrian immunologist Karl Landsteiner in 1901. This system is based on inherited properties of red blood cells, erythrocytes as determined by presence or absence of antigen A and B, which is carried on the surface of red blood cells. Person may have type A, type B, type O, or type AB. RH blood group system. This system was discovered by Karl Landsteiner and A.S. Wiener in 1940. This system is based on presence of RH factor on the cell membranes of red blood cells. RH antigen was first discovered in rhesus monkey. RH incompatibility. When a woman and her unborn baby carries different RH protein factors, their condition is called RH incompatibility. It occurs when mother is RH negative and father is RH positive. When any incompatibility is detected, the mother receives an injection at 28 weeks gestation and at birth to avoid the development of antibodies towards fetus. This disorder is also called erythroblastosis fetalis. What is blood pressure? Blood pressure is the force that moves blood through our circulatory system. It is an important force because oxygen and nutrients would not be pushed around our circulatory system to nourish tissues and organs without blood pressure. Normal blood pressure to be below 120 millimeters of mercury systolic and 80 millimeters of mercury diastolic. Platelets. Platelets are small, colorless cell fragments present in our blood used to form clots and prevent bleeding. Bone marrow contains stem cells that develop later into red blood cells, platelets, and white blood cells. A normal platelet count ranges from 150,000 to 450,000 platelets per microliter of blood. If platelet count is more than 450,000, the condition is called thrombocytosis. If it is less than 150,000, then this condition is called thrombocytopenia. Blood vessels. There are three kinds of blood vessels: arteries, veins, capillaries. Arteries carries oxygenated blood away from heart. Veins carry blood back toward the heart. Exchange of gases, nutrients, and waste between blood and tissues occurs in the capillaries. Here we will discuss different blood diseases. First one is hemophilia. Hemophilia is a rare disorder in which your blood does not clot normally. It occurs due to lack of blood clotting proteins. In this inherited disease, you may bleed for a longer time after an injury. Small cuts usually are not much problem. What is thalassemia? It is inherited disorder that causes your body to have less hemoglobin than normal. Hemoglobin enables red blood cells to carry oxygen. Thalassemia can cause anemia, leaving you fatigued. In severe thalassemia, you might require regular blood transfusions, healthy diet, and exercising regularly. Blood cancer. There are several different types of blood cancers. Here we will discuss three main types. Lymphoma. It develops in lymphatic system and destroys immune functions. Myeloma. It develops in plasma cells and have impact on bones and blood. Leukemia. These cancers develops in the bone marrow and disrupts normal blood cell functions. Thank you.